Okay, this is just a quick overview of my home theater setup. Basically, I have some Martin Logan speakers. That one over there, it's a Motion 4 on the back. I have what they call is a Motion FX. I have two projectors. One is an older Mitsubishi, and the bigger one is the 4K JVC. It's actually very nice. And then, as far as the receiver, is a Sony ES 3000 receiver. I don't know all the specs on it. I'll do a video on each component separately, so I can get in more detail what they offer. Um, the screen is a 120-inch screen. And let me make a close up. Sony receiver. And the center speaker, the Martin Logan Motion 8, is actually on top of the receiver, but it's gonna cover it up. I did some custom work with some they call it speaker screen, I guess that's what they call speaker fabric. So it's kind of hidden in there, so you don't really see it. And then I have some accessories as far as like a fan, a controller there on the side, the PS4, the old PS3, shield on the top of the PS4. I kind of did everything myself. The only thing I had to pay somebody to do was the granite on top, because I don't really have the tools to cut the granite. The screen, let me get a close up. This Elite screens. I kind of like the look of it. It gives you like a flat screen look. The other speakers, you can't really see, it's so dark. And as far as the walls, people ask me what that is. I didn't really paint the walls black. I went to Home Depot and they have this black carpet. I can't really show you here, but I just stapled them to the wall. I didn't want to glue it to the wall. I mean, it makes it easy to remove it later if you just staple it to the wall. And it's pretty thick, so it stays up. Again, that's a quick overview of the home theater setup. The Sony receiver is actually very nice. It's what they call like an installer, I guess, version of the consumer, receivers they sell. And what I like about it, not only has the 4K bypass, but it has the 8-port Ethernet. So I like to have everything hardwired as far as the internet. I don't really like to use the Wi-Fi. So that was actually very useful. Again, I'll put some links on the description so you can actually see, the model numbers and the features and what else? The fans. I have some fans around the receiver and on top of the receiver. I got them on Amazon, but actually replaced the blades with some Noctuas because they're a little bit quieter. Yeah. I don't have to use it all the time, but when it gets hot, I just turn it on and you don't really notice any noise. Again, I'll turn on the whole system so you can hear and see the picture quality on a separate video. This is just like a quick overview of the main components. Another thing, the subwoofers, they're actually hidden. There's SVS subwoofers in the ERC behind there. And again, I use the speaker fabric to cover it, to give it like a cleaner look. And there's two subwoofers, one on each side, and they're the SVS 1000, if I remember correctly. I'll put the model numbers on the description. And for this size room, they're more than enough. Way more than... I used to have a Martin Logan one, and it was pretty good, but the SVS is just excellent. And you can see my room is not that big. And the reason I have two projectors is I bought the Mitsubishi projector, the smaller one, like 10 years ago. It was a good projector, but then with 4K, I decided to upgrade to a 4K projector. And this JVC was, for the price, was the best option at the time. You can see the size difference. It's just huge difference in size. And the picture quality is a huge difference as well. I'll turn it on and I'll show a video of it. And I'll also do a video for the sound and the receivers. Right now, with the lights on, I had to, you're not going to really get a good picture, but I'll turn the lights off and turn on the projector and the receiver and do another video. Okay, and then I'll go over how I did the speaker fabric there and ran all the wires. And that's it. Thank you.